I'm 36 weeks. Basically, he said I'm 1 to 2 centimeters dilated. Today I went back and he told me I was 2, almost 3.
What's that supposed to mean? We're supposed to be due next month.
We're heading to Costco today. I feel wet down there. No, babe, I'm serious. I have to go to the bathroom.
She thinks her water might have broke.
So happy that this is probably one of the first sunny days that we've had in a long time. Are you in a dancey mood?
Yeah, because we're trying to get some food.
We're getting food, guys. We're heading to Costco today. I think the last time we were in Costco was the last time we filmed we were in Costco, which was like 4 months ago.
We just moved. What do you mean 4 months ago?
More than 4 months ago?
We just moved to this house like that first month.
You guys, like there's so many things in our fridge that we're lacking, and we're like T-minus couple weeks out. So because of that, we need to
we're trying to stock up right now
everything.
Because we don't know the next time we'll be able to leave the house.
And Costco has like everything that's amazing and good. But you guys, we're gonna take you guys along with us. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite finds at Costco because you guys know that we keep kosher, so we're very limited on the kind of stuff that we can actually get.
I just realized something. Coming right before Thanksgiving.
Well, good thing we're not looking to buy a turkey, are we? Guys, fun fact, I've actually never made a turkey before in my life. Uh-oh. Babe, I don't know if it's the pee that I feel wet down there. No, or it could be something else. No, babe, I'm serious. I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, so Haley went to the bathroom because she thinks her water might have broke. I think it's the pee that she peed herself from before, but she's going to go check now to see if it's labor or a false alarm. Now, it might seem I'm pretty calm, but internally I'm a little freaking out.
Okay.
We're good?
It's a combination of just pee and sweat.
Ew. Babe, stop looking at things you're not gonna buy or you're not gonna even eat. It's just gonna sit in our pantry forever.
Babe, I'm in a very, very snacky mood.
That's
Do not rush me.
That's the problem. I shouldn't have brought you here. I should have came out myself.
It's actually very dangerous to come to Costco when you're pregnant because your cravings are so like unusual sometimes that you're like, oh, let me buy this, and everything is like 5 pounds, and it's like if you're not gonna like it after you give birth, what are you gonna do with it, right?
Give it to your husband to eat. Dang, look at these pies. They're huge. What is that?
Remember last time?
Yeah, you didn't like it last time.
It had onion. This one doesn't have onion in it, so there's no onion breath after you eat it. Now we don't gotta wait for ripe avocados anymore.
You only gotta save some for other people.
Strategies.
Okay, are we done?
Don't rush me in the cheese section.
This is not even kosher. Babe, who are you fooling? You're not gonna eat that.
They like samples.
What are you doing?
I'm excited to have my pretzel bites.
Yeah, I can tell.
Does she have a little turkey? Hi, Olivia. How are you? You have a turkey?
I love you, turkey. She gave it a big kiss.
That's so cute. And why did you leave stuff in the bag? She's like, this?
Because I didn't want to put it in the bag and get hot.
Aliyah, you want this?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want this one?
Okay.
Okay. Click.
Dada.
You're welcome. Dada. I think she expected it to be sweet. Yummy?
Yummy? Yummy.
Yummy.
Alright, good morning, hey fam. So I just got home. Haley is putting Aaliyah to nap. Every time I come home, it's like World War 30 over here. We got, look at this. We got, I guess, like a toilet paper party going on. Playroom is also balling on over here. Like, what? Life of a toddler, no matter how much you can try to keep a house clean, it always ends up being, in Hebrew, you say balagan, mess. So we're gonna tidy it up. It's gonna become a mess again, but we'll just do it as many times as we can until we can maintain it.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh, someone got a little bit too excited. I'm gonna clean it all up. Okay, so we just ran out of paper towels, so we're going to be very innovative. And
You're not using
Haley's,
actually.
Haley threw this diaper on the floor, and we're just gonna use this dirty diaper to kill 2 birds with one stone, to wipe this off. Innovative, that's finest. Hi.
Hi. Wanna go IKEA?
Okay.
Okay. Today is such a gloomy day, you guys. Usually Sunday is gonna, like we said, it was gonna be like our Sunday fun day,
but today's, it can't be that fun unless it's raining.
I feel like we've had like one Sunday the last couple of months that we've actually had nice weather. So I thought, what is something really fun that we can do indoors Yeah, she's tired of hearing us talk, but we thought something really fun we could do today is go to Ikea.
I don't think we thought.
Well, I need to go anyway, and it's just so much better if I go with you.
It's like, we're going to Ikea today because there's nothing else better to do and it's raining, so.
No, basically, Aaliyah's get ice.
IKEA?
You wanna go Ikea? Yeah?
I don't think she knows what it is.
She doesn't, but
She probably thinks, wow, Ikea sounds like a playground.
but I hyped her up really well. But basically, she's at an age right now where I'm noticing whenever we go to family friends' house, the ones that have kids, you know, they have little tables and chairs, and she really likes to sit there and draw, do activities, even eat sometimes. So instead of like doing a high chair, I really want to start incorporating more of like a Montessori table with chair situation. And Ikea has like around 50 bucks for a table with 2 chairs. It's like half the price of what I'm seeing on Amazon. So I think we're gonna go pick that up today for her.
And you need to get ice cream scoop.
Yes, that's like literally the only reason he's going to Ikea.
Mato
She
sa.
wants more?
What?
Okay.
Oibi. Uh-oh, and you're gonna make her clothes dirty.
I'm telling you, she always eats better when she's not in a high chair. That's kind of why I want to get her.
Of course,
the
because she's
table
more
chair.
free, so she's gonna make a mess.
Yummy?
Nami?
If you guys don't know what this is called bakhsh, and this is basically a Bukharian dish, and it's like cilantro rice. And we got her, she
nice.
was stealing our bottles all the time. So I ended up getting her basically a kid version of a bottle she can open herself, and she gets so excited, right? Oh my.
The best investment we've ever made is buying an umbrella.
Truly, only my husband can say that an umbrella is an investment. Aliyah, you wanna go? You know, coming here as a parent is not the same. You know why? Because when you come to Ikea, you have to take that like initial stair escalator that takes you like right into the showroom. And now, because of you, Missy, we gotta take an elevator. Ikea! Alright, so we specifically gotta keep an eye out for everything like nursery related. So I'm actually gonna check it out and see if there's stuff here too. Okay, you guys, we're about to unleash Aliyah into the wild. Let's go, Aliyah.
Oh, we're never gonna leave here.
That's the point.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, the Ikea kitchen section, babe. It just reminds me of how we customized our own kitchen back in Canada and how now we don't live in a house that we own, so I can't go ahead and do this myself. Do you miss our old kitchen, babe?
Yeah, I do.
The kitchen
the
you do.
functionality was very good in our kitchen.
Because I just made it kind of like my perfect layout. It was very much like this layout, actually. Ugh, I miss it a lot. My whole white kitchen. Put her on a bed, Evan. Okay, I really like that wall decoration right over there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. And they also used a side of wall unit as kind of like a little hanging blanket ladder situation, and it's really cheap. It's only $20. So I'm kind of debating maybe I should get that.
This girl made me literally go to each bed, sit on the bed. She's like, Abba, come. I come, and she just dips and leaves by myself. Go to a different bed. I'm like, what? She's gonna do it again.
She's gonna say apropos.
She sits down, she says, Abba, as soon as I sit, she dips.
Let's see.
Abba, okay, look. And it's the most uncomfortable one out of all the places. Oh my man.
Honestly, you guys, I'm telling you, bringing her here was genius. If it's like rainy and gloomy, your kids have nothing to do. She's having like the time of her life right now.
Time of her life right now until the bill comes and buy all these toys.
This is the little table I wanted to get for her. It's 50 bucks for the table and the 2 chairs. Okay.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a dang 11. Actually, not bad.
Oh, also, I get a ton of questions from you guys on where I get Aaliyah's cutlery and stuff, and they actually have them all here. I love their spoons and their cups and their plate sets. All of these are just $2.99, but they're honestly really great for kids. Aaliyah, what's this? Baby shark? Ah, baby shark.
So I take a little break. Aaliyah's having crackers. Huh?
Wow, crackers.
You want to get this thing?
Yeah, I want to get that thing.
And where are we gonna hang it? On your head?
No, in the nursery.
You're gonna hang a plant in a nursery?
Yeah.
Why?
Artificial plant. I have a vision.
That's the problem. Your vision scares me. We found Aaliyah in a natural habitat.
I mean, really, we need to get a bigger car. Like, The amount of times I say that.
That was the biggest mistake we did.
To get a compact SUV. We felt like we outgrew it so quickly, and especially because I like to thrift so much and like we go and do furniture shopping a lot.
We
Like
get a lot of stuff in Facebook Marketplace that can't fit our car.
There's so many times that I have to like get a second Uber to like bring stuff home. But what we decided to do is that this car is actually ours already. We bought it in Canada. We decided we're just gonna keep it and probably just like lease a bigger car. We're trying to figure out what kind of car we should go for. Egan's very into Kias right now.
No, I like Hyundai.
Yeah, but
Hyundai,
there's no Hyundais available right now.
But I know Hyundai and Kia are like this, come from same manufacturer.
If any of you guys have a Kia, drive a Kia, your parents have a Kia, if you're happy with your experience, let us know.
If you guys have a car you guys want to gift us.
Yeah.
You know,
no, if you have any like recommendations for family cars that are good for like 2 kids, let's say, but are not vans. Because like Egan and I are just not ready.
What is that face?
Haley's back in her corner.
Yeah, she never leaves that corner, to be honest.
So tired.
Okay, guys.
I was like, fine. You're the one that wanted to pull out the camera because you're freaking out.
I'm not freaking out, but this is like
A big deal?
Long story short, according to our calendar, Haley officially what this week?
36 weeks.
36 weeks, and we
still have 4 weeks to go.
We have 4 weeks to go technically. I picked up Aaliyah from the daycare, and then Haley went to go to her doctor appointment to do a checkup. And then when I picked her up, she says,
I'm like, oh yeah, the doctor checked me, and basically he said I'm 1 to 2 centimeters dilated.
right away, I'm like, what are you talking about? 1 to 2 centimeters? Like, are you really
And I
like?
kept having to reiterate to him that it's nothing to freak out about, that it's normal a month before labor.
Listen, so far from our experiences, we had your cousin, his wife went to labor a month before her due date.
Yeah. My sister also gave birth like almost a month before her due date.
My sister, who just gave birth recently, Ariella, she also was saying that she's going 1 to 2 centimeters dilated and went to labor the next day. I don't think it'll be the case, but yes, your boy's a little bit.
He's a little bit nervous.
Because I'm like, it's too early.
I mean, are we ready? We're ready.
No, we're ready. It's just more of like, I kind of wanted to do some things
like
before.
What?
I don't know, my last
I just feel like
sushi.
we're not in the mental like state to be like, oh my gosh, we're bringing home a baby.
I feel like that's the thing. When it comes to parents, people always ask like, are you ready? I don't think you're ever going to be ready. There's not like a set date that you're ready for. It just kind of like just gets thrown to your lap, and then you adjust and you'll survive.
I don't know. I still think that she has some time cooking in there, babe. So we have some time.
It just goes to show that we need to start packing the
hospital bag. We haven't done that yet. We have to actually get. I don't even have any like clean, washed, laundry clothes for her, like at all.
And the funniest part is like we literally booked Haley's mom a ticket
a couple days before.
A couple days ago, and then as soon as we mentioned it to her, Haley's mom's like, okay, so am I coming like
earlier
the next few days or something? And we're like, no, it's fine.
How about me and you right now just have like a quick prediction on when we think this baby's coming? So our baby is due on December 14th. I have a feeling like she'll be born like a day or 2 before her due date.
I don't think you're gonna go past your due date. We're gonna probably be early.
Okay, so that gives us less time. We gotta prepare, babe.
Yeah, let's do something, man.
Babe,
yeah.
Got back from my appointment. Remember how on Thursday when he checked me, he told me like I was 1 centimeter. He could make it 2 if he really like tried, but no.
Okay.
Today I went back and he told me I was 2, almost 3.
What's that supposed to mean? We're supposed to be due next month. Aliyah.
Aliyah.
Gonna see your sister?
She's like, no. I still want to be the only child for now. We're gonna keep you guys updated, but having a bit of a freak out. It's fine.
What's the date? 21st of November. Damn.
Yeah, we're supposed to wait until... Babe, come on. I'm due December 14th. We have so much time.
Hey, we've had people in our circle this year that gave birth a month before the due date.
Okay, I know, but that's not gonna be us.
Aliyah, wanna shove your dime? Come, wanna shove your dime?
Wash your hands.
Yay!
Good job, Aliyah.
Yay, Aliyah! Good job! Kola ka po! Ayan, kasa.
Okay.
Pagidi, beba ka siya. Yes. Okay, that's that. Go down slowly. Slowly. Ew, dirty! Yummy? Pagidi to da. Okay, if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail, right? That's what it means.
I don't know.
Okay, long story short, we're going to make a Walmart order with diapers, baby clothes.
We have that.
We're gonna need some alcohol for me. And I think
Take some shots.
And I think that's it. Everything else we'll just wing it as we go.
I know.
But
I'm nervous.
Yeah, your mom's gonna freak out if you do.
No, babe, that's the thing. She has to be here. I booked my mom a ticket.
So maybe should we do it earlier? I don't know.
No.
T minus 1 week.
What do you 1 week? We have a month, babe. Don't put me on a pressure thing right now. Come. Ochi string?
Ochi string? No. Oh, faker.
Crier, look at that.
No, mine.
So much attitude. That for sure you got from your mom.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, am I wrong? No.
You guys saw that we picked up some of the IKEA things, and if you watched my last video, it was actually my nursery makeover. So if you want to see everything in detail in the nursery, go ahead and watch that video. But Evan hasn't seen it yet. He just picked up Aaliyah, so I told him to come upstairs to see it for the first time, and let's get his live reaction. All right, babe.
3 months.
I know, it took too long. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dang! This is better than our room.
Do you like it?
Yeah, like so I'm moving here myself.
Isn't it so pretty? I love it. I mean, we're hiding what the name is from everybody, but I ordered another big one that's gonna be brown. That's gonna go here. Is it so cute though? Do you like this little collage wall that I did? Pretty cute, huh?
Yeah, babe.
Do I have good taste or what?
You have good taste, but maybe my taste is just so bad that I think any taste is good. But this
Why can't you just give me the compliment?
They did a great job. I'm so proud of you.
I feel like we're gonna be spending a lot of time in this room, so I just wanted to make it something cute. And Aaliyah's gonna be sleeping in here for now, so.
Yeah, it's true.
Why are her pigtails so sad? What is this? And look at the tree. Remember you were always talking crap about my trees?
Yeah, this one's fake, so you can never die.
I know, but babe, it looks good.
Unless it actually dies, then that sucks.
I can't kill an artificial tree. But do you like it now? It works, right? But just realized I forgot to close out the last vlog. And today's actually Thanksgiving, so be sure to stay tuned and subscribe if you guys want to see our Thanksgiving vlog. We're about to head to Evan's family right now. If you guys are watching up to now, then you're the real MVPs. You are our favorite kind of people. Be sure to comment down below. IKEA, hun? IKEA! IKEA! Just comment down below IKEA. Aaliyah's been saying it all day, and it was a super fun vlog, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. IKEA! We love you guys forever and always, and we cannot wait to see you in our next one.